Hey everyone, welcome to the 905 Squadron YouTube channel. Today we are on a rescue mission.
Honestly, I'm quite nervous. That plane's been up there for 3 years.
Yeah.
I think it's got some roots and doesn't want to come down. But Dan's got a pretty good system going. Yeah, so I have complete faith in him, and I think it's coming down today. I mean, there's bound to be some collateral damage.
Yeah, it's a
So
question of how many things we get stuck. Is really the question. Okay.
I think it's going to be good.
Okay, I'm Dan, I'm the pilot. This is our fishing robot. We gotta come up with a name with this thing. I can't think of a single thing that'll go wrong, but we're gonna give it our best shot anyways. This is gonna be one and done. We're gonna be in there and out.
I think so.
Yeah.
One and done.
Oh, too close. Oh, to the right? Oh, I see it. Okay. Okay. Oh, we're so close. It's just bouncing so much.
Oh, I almost got stuck.
You're stuck.
Oh, not my fishing rod.
Hold up, you're gonna make yourself worse.
No.
Oh, you're hanging.
I'll try flying up.
Yeah, try flying up.
You let the line down?
No, you're
Hey!
You got the plane? I should get my drone, that's all.
Your drone's stuck up.
you are stuck.
Well, hey, the nervousness is away. I mean, we did it. I had no doubt. Almost wasn't, almost wasn't worth it. But hey, all's well that ends well. You got both down. That's it.
No risk, no reward.
Nothing ventured, nothing gained. And yeah, man, like that's it. On to the next adventure.
Yes.
Oh, really? So they put it on the outside.
Ta-da.
Technically, you
Success. Oh, I had no doubts. It was perfect. Flawlessly. I should get my drone, that's all.